Hi, I'm Lydia from Workflow Magic. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you a new AI beta feature that automatically builds your form and columns on Monday just by using a simple prompt. No more manual form setup. Just tell AI what you need and it does the rest. Let's walk through it. First, click into the AI prompt builder. You will see a few suggested prompts like a feedback survey to get you started. Or you can type in your own prompt for something more specific. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate Preview. AI will generate a preview of the form and the columns it plans to create on your board. If it looks good, hit Confirm and it will automatically build the form and add the necessary columns to your board in a matter of seconds. You can always go back and change the prompt to refine the structure before confirming. This is one of the easiest ways to start a new workflow without spending time setting up your board manually. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more Monday.com tips. And if you want help optimizing your entire workspace, book a free discovery call with me today.